So we have several deadlock handling methods. First of them is prevention. So prevention means break at least one of the Kaufman conditions or the necessary conditions to have a deadlock. We discussed in previous video that we have basically four conditions that are necessary for a deadlock. First one is mutual exclusion, second is hold and wait, third is no preemption, and fourth one is circular wait. So for prevention, what we can do is we can simply eliminate one of them and the deadlock can be prevented. Okay, so first one method is eliminate mutual exclusion. That means we have to make resources shareable. For example, instead of giving one process a printer at a given time, we can use pooling. That is a method where multiple processes can print at same time. Then next is eliminate hold and wait. So hold and wait means when one process is holding a resource and at the same time it is waiting for another resource. So to eliminate this, what we can do is process must request all resources at once. Either this or we have another method, that is process must release all resources before requesting new ones. For example, if P1 is holding R1 and it is requesting for R2, it must release R1 before requesting for R2. Now eliminate no preemption. Preemption means that once the any process is scheduled, so it must be fully completed and then only it has to be terminated. So how we can avoid this? If a process requests a resource and it's unavailable, so what we can do is take away its currently held resources and allocate later when all available. Okay, for example, memory can be preempted with the example of swapping, swap in and swap out. Last one is eliminate circular wait. Circular wait means when the processes are holding and requesting in a circular manner. It is the most practical prevention method and it is most widely used method for preventing the deadlock. So what we have to do in this is assign a fixed ordering of resources, for example R1, R2, R3, such that then second is processes must request resources in increasing order only. Okay, now example is always request printer before scanner. We know that printing can be done before scanner, so we can simply allocate printer before then scanner, but vice versa is not true. So these all are the methods for deadlock handling. First one is prevention, and we have discussed how to prevent deadlock by eliminating any one of these four necessary conditions.